My name is Dr. Kristen Fox. I'm a veterinarian and one of the practice owners here at DePorre Veterinary Hospital. I actually was very fortunate to start here right out of vet school. I did my undergrad at Michigan State. I was a Lyman Briggs zoology major and actually had the privilege of working here for a summer before I went to vet school. I've been here since May of 2005, which was the year I graduated from vet school. So I was kind of the classic little girl who always loved animals. My grandparents had a dairy farm in Ontario, and my earliest memories growing up was loving pulling in their driveway, getting out and running to the barn. And it was the barn cats, it was the cows. I loved it all. That was really my exposure. And I was 7 when I said I wanted to be a veterinarian, and my path never wavered. My favorite area of medicine, no question, is internal medicine, whether it's endocrine diseases, whether it's GI diseases, but medicine is my passion. Of course, I do love wellness care, which is, all the fun puppy visits, and really, for me, that relationship with people is really what keeps me loving coming to work. It has been transformative. It has been amazing. And I encourage, as I talk to other practice owners, I encourage them all to try to implement it because it has been so great for our patients. We have patients that are now coming in, patients that needed full sedation before because you couldn't examine them, or even ones that you could do things with, but you could tell they were so stressed the whole time. That fear-free conditioning that we've been working with them, getting them positive reinforcement and doing those approaches and those tactics and all of those things to try to make their experience more positive here and make them less fearful, you can see the difference. And clients can see the difference. And just for a team morale thing, our staff members, our technicians, and our doctors it's very rewarding to see how you are helping a pet by just taking a different approach. We have all these tools that we use to help make their visit more comfortable. And so I think it's been amazing. And like I said, I really do encourage every practice to consider implementing, even if you don't do everything, just implementing something to make a difference for those cats and dogs. As a practice owner, my vision for this hospital has always been to maintain the highest level of medical care that we can, as well as providing customers and clients that level of service where they really feel like they're getting the best care. But I also think it's maintaining kind of the small family business that it started out as. I mean, that's how this practice started in 1958. It started as a single doctor practice, and its reputation has been built upon that. And so as though we've gotten bigger and we've grown and we have a lot more doctors and we have a lot more space and a lot more staff than we used to, I try to look at all those things as great additions and still trying to maintain that relationship. I think what sets us apart is I think we're very collaborative, and I think because we want the best care for our patients and because we really pride ourselves on practicing the best medicine that we absolutely can, that involves talking to other doctors within the practice. I would say, every doctor, whether you're a newer doctor or a doctor who's very seasoned and has been around a long time, we all collaborate and run things by each other and are very open about that. And we tell clients that because, for me personally, I want people to have that confidence that this wasn't just me, this was a team of some of the best veterinarians I know, all coming up with the same conclusion or different ideas, so that really the most important thing is getting that end result, what's best for that cat or dog. We have an amazing team, and I would say COVID has really made that even more known because it's been a very challenging time. It's been a challenging time in the world, but it's been a very challenging time in veterinary medicine and how everybody's handled that. I love our team, and I think they do a great job. I think what sets our team apart is, they really all want to be here, and it shows in how they're doing their job. They work together great. And so there's a lot of good communication between the receptionists to the technicians, to the assistants, to the doctors. And I think that clients can tell that. And I think that that personal approach that a client hopefully gets starting from the first phone call all the way through making the appointment, coming in for the appointment, hopefully that's seen. We love to go up north. We love to be outside and inside. I personally am a big puzzle person, so I love to do puzzles. I love to read. So for me personally, that's kind of my downtime. My favorite TV show is Murder, She Wrote. That is my comfort show. When I'm not feeling good, when I'm having a bad day, that's what goes on. And it makes my heart happy because my boys love it too. So it's a fun thing that they kind of know if somebody's having a bad day, let's put an episode of Murder, She Wrote on, which sounds so silly, but it really does bring a lot of joy to me personally and to my family.